using there, or there. They sound alike, they are spelled differently, and they mean different things. Although they sound alike, they are not alike. This is often confusing for kids, so let's dive in and see how to teach kids the difference. There, there, refers to in or at that place. Their, there, means belonging to them. And there, THEY''re' means they are. It is a contraction. Now let's look at some sentences that have the word there spelled The're and means in or at that place. The first sentence is, I saw my friend there. There means the place I saw my friend, and it was at the library. The second sentence, I was there earlier. There refers to the place I was earlier, at the store. And the third sentence is, there is my tractor. There refers to the place my tractor is, in the closet. To help kids better understand the meaning of there, THERE, have them read these sentences. Begin with the first sentence and help kids go across and replace the word there with the words above the arrow. And that's what there stands for. So the first sentence is, I saw my friend there. Go across and replace there with the new words. I saw my friend at the library. Let's go to the second sentence. I was there earlier. Then go across and replace there with the words above it. I was at the store earlier. Then go to the third sentence. There is my tractor. And then replace it with the words above the arrow. In the closet is my tractor. So in the first sentence, there means at the library. In the second sentence, there means at the store. And in the third sentence, there means in the closet.
In this activity, we want kids to draw a line to what the word there in the sentence means. Let's start with the very first one. He is there having fun. It looks like this boy is having fun. Let's see if in the pool would fit in where there is. He is in the pool having fun. That sounds like it works. So that's what there stands for, is in the pool. Let's try the next one. The horse is there now. I see a horse down here in the barn. Let's replace there with in the barn and see if it works. The horse is in the barn now. That makes sense. We'll draw the line there. My best friend lives there. This looks like a house, and it says at that house. My best friend lives at that house. There means at that house. The dog is hiding there. Maybe he's hiding in the doghouse. The dog is hiding there. The dog is hiding in the doghouse. There means in the doghouse. Our last one, so this will be easy. There's only one left. At that store. We bought food there earlier. We bought food at that store earlier. So in this sentence, there means at that store. So now we have all our sentences complete with the words that there represents in each sentence.
This is a template used in the last activity demonstrated. Our next there is spelled T-H-E-I-R and means belonging to them. It tells who something belongs to. So our first sentence, their dog is playful, will answer the question, whose dog is playful? The second sentence, their lunches were delicious, there will answer whose lunches were delicious. And the third sentence, their work was done early, will answer whose work was done early. Who did the early work belong to? Now we're going to read the sentence with the word there in it. Then we're going to go across and answer who the dog belongs to. We will replace the word there and read what is above the arrow in place of it. So our first sentence says, their dog is playful. Whose dog is playful? Sarah and Tony's dog is playful. Our next sentence says, their lunches were delicious. Whose lunches were delicious? The girls' lunches were delicious. The lunches belong to the girls. Our third sentence, their work was done early. Whose work was done early? The kids' work was done early. The early work belonged to the kids. Now have kids draw a line to what the word there, T-H-E-I-R, means in each sentence. Do the first one with them. Mom made their favorite dinner. We're going to replace the word there with the correct meaning. So I'm going to look for kids that are eating, and I see them. That's the second picture. And under the picture it says Layla and Ben's. So I'm going to replace there in the sentence with Layla and Ben's. Then read it with the kids. Mom made Layla and Ben's favorite dinner. Yes, that works. Together with the kids, complete the rest of the sentences. And these are the correct answers. Mom made Layla and Ben's favorite dinner. The firemen's uniforms protect them. The skaters' skates were comfortable. And the kids' dog is lovable. Now introduce their, T-H-E-Y''re, and it is a contraction that means they are. Read with the kids the first sentence. They're always playful. There will answer the question, what are they? The next sentence, they're riding the bus home. There will answer, who are they? And in the third sentence, they're the best dessert. There will answer, what are they? So now with kids, read the first sentence, they're always playful, and then go across and replace there with the two words they are. So together read, they are always playful, and then replace they are with dog and cat are. Dog and cat are always playful. Then go to the second sentence. They're riding the bus home. And to answer who is riding the bus home, read they are riding the bus home, and then read the kids are riding the bus home. And then the last sentence, they're the best dessert. Go across and replace they are the best dessert, and then replace they are with donuts are. And read the sentence with the kids, donuts are the best dessert.
Now that kids have had practice with the words there, and there, introduce the sentence meaning activity, asking, what does each word there mean in the sentence? Let's begin. This is our first sentence. The crayons are there. There is an arrow pointing to the crayons. So it means that they are in or at that place. And yes, they are in the backpack. Let's look at our next sentence. They're flying away. There is a contraction, and it means they are. Let's try that. They are flying away. Yes, that makes sense. So let's look through our meanings. It's not in or at that place. It doesn't mean belonging to them. Yes, it means they are. It's a contraction. The next sentence is, there is our dog Spot. Where is Spot? There is Spot. It does mean in or at that place. Spot is in the dog house. Our next one. Their dogs are cute. There. It doesn't mean in or that place. It's not a contraction, so it means belonging to them. It's their dogs. Let's go to the next sentence. They're ice skating. There is a contraction, meaning they are. They are ice skating. Yes, that makes sense. So the meaning is they are, and it's a contraction. Let's go to our next sentence. They have their backpacks. Whose backpacks? Their backpacks. That means belonging to them.
These are the 3 templates that were used in the last demonstration.
In this activity, we're going to have kids circle the correct word. There, or there. They all sound the same, so we have to remind them of their meaning. There means at, in or at that place. There means belonging to them. There means they are. It's a contraction. Let's read our first sentence. Their backpacks are outside on hooks. The backpacks belong to the boys, so that shows ownership belonging to them. So it is this there. T-H-E-I-R. Let's go to the next one. They're playing at the park. It can be they are playing at the park. So that is our contraction. Capital T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. And the reason they're all capitalized is because they do begin at the beginning of a sentence. So we're going to circle there. Our last one is, there is my best friend's house. At that place is my best friend's house. So it does mean at that place, and it is this there, capital T-H-E-R-E. And it would be great if you had them go back and write the words in the spaces to review them once again. Capital T-H-E-I-R. Their backpacks are outside on hooks. They're representing they are. Capital T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E, standing for they are. And our last one is there, capital T-H-E-R-E.
This is a template that was used in the last demonstration lesson, and the ending sentence was, there is my best friend's house. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And as always, I will list the link for all the templates in the description section.